So get off your cell phones. I mean, unless you taking pictures of me.
Hey guys, today I'll be unwrapping iPhone 12. See, it's still unwrapped. So I just bought the iPhone 12 because I needed an upgrade, more especially for my videos, because the quality on iPhone 8 is not that great. Let's start. The sound of a new package unwrapped. So so it comes like this in a bubble wrap. Ooh. I'm so hesitant to bust the bubble, but I have to. So, oh, this bubble wrap is the one, eh? Oh, 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 What do they wanted to make sure that even if it drops or falls, nothing can happen to that phone. Finally. This is the one. This is the one. It was packaged on that date. If you can see. Oh my god, it's so slim. Vodacom 1 year warranty. It comes with a 1 year warranty. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Now we open. We do this. Look guys, look. Ooh. So this is my phone now. You see, there it is, iPhone 12, and then it has a wrapped paper, and then I'm gonna and then inside it comes with earphones. Yeah, it comes with, are these earphones? Charger. Yeah. Then it comes with that opening thing. That one that you use. This comes with this. It comes with the Apple sticker. And a whole lot of instructions, iPhone, blah blah blah. But this is the phone of mine. Oh, it's so heavy. I'm not used to heavy phones. I'm so not used to this. It has 2 cameras. 1, 2. Is this the iPhone 12? iPhone. Did I write it? Oh yeah, it's written here. iPhone 12 black, 64 gigabytes of memory. So now I'm gonna switch it on. Oh my god, these phones are so different. I'm not used to these. These are not smooth at all. I'm so used to 8 and 7. Just on it. On now. Says hello. Hello. Then it says hello in Chinese. It says hello. Why is it in Chinese? Oh, Jehovah. This phone has been saying hello. Oh, swipe. English. So I choose. I don't know which English to choose. South Africa. Quick start. Yeah, so that's the phone, guys. Why would I use? Oh, Jehovah, I choose. So different. Now I'm setting up my Wi-Fi. But anyhow, this is the phone. I'm so excited to have the iPhone 12. I'm just gonna take a picture outside and show you guys. So now I'm taking a video from iPhone 12. Do you see a difference in terms of quality? Okay, I'm gonna say something. I was about to say something. What I don't like, I like the videos, I like the colors, the pictures. But what I don't like is the port has changed. So it's like this instead of like this. So now I have to buy a charger that supports this because I only have that supports this one. That's the downside about the iPhone 12. And another thing that I don't like is that it is heavy. It's a very heavy phone. I'm used to this. This is the phone I usually use. I've been using this one in iPhone 7. So I'm used to this, child, not this. I'm using this one. And also it doesn't have this home button, so the home button is on the screen somewhere there. So that's what I don't like about iPhone 12 because I'm so used to pressing here. Yeah. So comment down below, what do you think? Do you think iPhone 12 is worth it? Okay, I'm supposed to tell you that. I think it's worth it. I think with some getting used to, I'll realize the worth of the phone. For now, I'm still adjusting to the new features that I'm not used to. Plus, I have to spend money to buy a charger that supports this. So I don't like that. So if you are using iPhone 8 or 7, stick to it. There's no difference. The difference is the camera. That's it. Thank you. Bye. So this is a video I took with the iPhone 12. Of course, I was in the car, so it won't be clear as it's supposed to be. Actually, I think I should go outside and take a video. So this is the video I took from outside. As you can see, the quality is insane. I'm loving it. Oh, can't wait to take more videos and post it for you guys. And yeah, the pictures are clear. I love the pictures. This is the last thing I had to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be posting more with my new iPhone 12. I love it. Bye.